Hello everybody, this is Sid and I'm visiting my good pal Fredo and I'm at the Canyon Pass station. Fredo's put me up here for a fortnight. Thanks Fredo, appreciate that. Fredo's got me a nice little flat down in the lower level. It's got a private bath. Very, very cozy indeed. Fredo did a very good job. This is actually a person by the name of Don, runs the station here. Have not met Don yet, but Fredo tells me he's quite generous and we've been drinking up most of, if not all of Don's liquor. Don seems to be a mythical character. I have not met him. Fredo insists that Don does indeed exist. But he never has come by yet. In any event, Fredo's written a bluesy song that, what do you title that? What title? The Train Station Blues. Train Station Blues, why don't you come up here on camera, Fredo? Oh, you're being shy today, okay. Fredo's being a little shy today, doesn't want to get on camera. Okay, but Fredo and I have been friends going back many, many years, actually going back to our grammar school days. Fredo and I were pen pals back in the, you recall Fredo, the British invasion, that's when the Beatles came out, the Stones, Eric Burdon and the Animals. We used to like, Paul Butterfield Blues Band, John Lee Hooker, those kinds of guys. Even Little Richard. We used to listen to Little Richard, remember? Fredo, yes. Anyway, Fredo wrote a blues number here, which I have not tried out before. Fredo played it the other day, did a very nice job on it. Fredo actually did it on a flute, which is quite unusual. I'm going to do it on a harmonica here. I don't know all the words, so I'm probably going to mess up. Fredo, don't get too upset if I do mess up. Anyway, before I do begin, I want to say hello to all the lads back in Chiswick. That's where I'm from. Chiswick's a little suburb just west of London. And my hangout there is called the Bell and Crown. Very nice little pub. And that's where the lads are. Hello lads, I'll be back in a fortnight. Fredo's taking good care of me, not to worry. Anyway, so this is, again, title is Train Station Blues. Well, quite appropriate. We're coming from Canyon Pass Station. So, Train Station Blues. If I mess up here, please give me a little slack here because I have not done this before. You could find me at the station every morning. You could find me at the station every morning. I wouldn't lie to you, so consider it fair warning. You can find me at the station every afternoon. You can find me at the station every afternoon. I've been looking for a train, hope to catch one soon. You can find me at the station every night. You can find me at the station each and every night. Just don't ask me to leave you, but fixing for a fight. If you don't find me at the station, something's wrong. If you don't find me at the station, something's terribly wrong. Because if I'm not here, I'm likely dead and gone. You could find me at the station all day, or you could find me at the station all night. My life's taking a turn, nothing seems to be right. If you don't find me at the station, something's wrong. If you don't find me at the station, something's terribly wrong. Because if I'm not here, I must be dead and gone. If I'm not here, I must be dead and gone. Okay, Fredo, thank you for that little tune. I kind of like that. I don't know if I didn't mess up too much. Anyway, lads, back at the Chiswick, back at the Bell and Crown. Hello, see you in a fortnight, and thank you all for watching. Ta!